What's up, guys? We are in the middle of a quick gardening project, I guess you want to call it. We're trying to figure out how to set up, what are these called?
I don't know, vines?
Some sort of vine or some sort of lattice. So we're trying to set up a lattice in our backyard. We want the whole back wall to kind of be filled up with some of these plants right here.
Start jasmine.
See that? So this is our first time trying this, so we'll see how it comes out. Kind of saw some YouTube videos, so we're in the middle of setting up some screws. Got a screw here, and we're gonna set up kind of like diamond shapes all throughout here, and
Are you for real?
see how it comes out. It's my idea, so so yeah,
Yeah.
it'll be we'll see how it comes out. All right. For now, we're doing every 30 inches. It's kind of giving us the diamond shape here, so that the vines are able to kind of grab onto that and kind of go all the way up. We're gonna do the next 30, and then we're just gonna go on like that for the whole back wall. This middle one, for some reason, I think I keep hitting rebar or something. There you go. That's right. Drain it out. Now we're starting to put the wire so that the vine can hang on to it and grow up to be a big, big boy and girl.
Next step.
So we kind of went with our own measurements. You can go with whatever measurement you want to do. We went with 30 inches, every 30 inches, and then kind of went the diamond shape. So we're kind of figure this out.
No, you're not. We got it. This works for us. But if you have a taller wall, you can go longer, wider, whatever. And this is pretty much how it looks. It's like a 1, 2, 3 step. It's so easy, right? I just needed your help because of the strength, but other than that, I could have done it myself.
Of course you could.
It's looking good.
All right, so now we're gonna do our fourth row of wire. This wall is already done on this side. This is pretty much how it's supposed to look. All right. So now we're gonna start our fourth one. We're gonna kind of work our way, and it should give us some more diamond shapes on this side. And now we wait for 1.5 years for it to grow. Welcome to our garden. It's just your garden.
It's ours. See, ours.
Flower bar. That's where the flowers get drunk.
Un mecatito.
We are, I think, done with the wall. Now we just got with the wiring. Just got to put the vine up. So we went with the, what is it? Star jasmine. That's the plant that we went with. So now she's gonna tie it on to the wire so it kind of follows that pattern. Yeah, that's a stick, babe. It's not a.
I thought it was mine.
It's not a piece of
John.
rope. Bella. Doing. it grow, let it grow. It's not let it go. Let it grow for a year. The rest of the garden here. Welcome to our garden. All right, good job. We made progress. We made progress today.
I know we did. Thank you.